Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this today's video, I'll be unboxing the Realme X7 Pro device. So as friends, after a very long time and delay in my order of the Realme X7 Pro, and finally here is the Realme X7 Pro in my studio. And before I start the video, this is a variant which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, which is a MediaTek processor, not the Snapdragon one. So the phone has very good impressive specs like Snapdragon 865 processor and 120 Hz refresh rate with the Super AMOLED panel. So with the 65 watt fast charging as well. So in this video I'll be going through the unboxing experience. And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to follow me regularly friends to my channel Sai Tech Guru, because in the next I think couple of days I'll try to upload as many videos as possible on the Realme X7 Pro device, comparing with the Realme X2 Pro, even comparing with the OnePlus 8T as well. So I got very good comparisons with the other smartphones in this kind of same segment range. So let me try to unbox right now. So as you can see friends, is the box of the Realme X7 Pro device. So very soon the Realme, they are gonna launch the Realme X7 Pro device. So maybe with the MediaTek processor or may not be with the MediaTek processor, but definitely few of the specifications gonna be similar to this Realme X7 Pro as well. So we'll get a basic idea about the Realme X7 Pro. So the variant which I have ordered is the 8GB variant, and similar kind of 8GB variant I'm having with the Realme X2 Pro and the OnePlus 8T as well. So it will be a very good comparison if I compare this Realme X7 Pro with other smartphones as well. As you can see friends, the phone looks very slim as well. I think the weight of the phone is very less, close to 184 grams. So it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel much heavy as well. So it is a phone, finally the Realme X7 Pro here, and we do have the 65 watt fast charging with this mobile phone. So definitely I'll try to test the fast charging comparison versus 65 watt versus a 65 watts OnePlus device as well. And one good thing is that both phones, they are having the same kind of 65 watt fast charging and same kind of battery capacity as well. So it will be a very good comparison between both of the smartphones as well. So as I said, stay tuned for more videos. In the next upcoming days, I'll try to post so many videos on these comparisons. And we do have this kind of clear case as well, so which is not that strong, but definitely it's usable. And we do have the cable with the box as well. So this is a quick setup over here. And as I said, one thing is that the phone doesn't have the 3.5mm jack. As you can see friends, there is no 3.5mm jack, so this can be the little bit kind of disadvantage, but we do have this kind of small adapter in the box. So definitely this adapter will help you out. I'll try to test even the sound quality as well using this kind of adapters in this Realme X7 Pro device. So let me try to turn on the mobile phone. Finally friends, after very long time, I'm not sure why it took so much of long time in arriving this Realme X7 Pro device, but this is the phone which I'm eagerly waiting for very long time to do. As I said, the Realme, they will be soon, they'll launch this model in India. So before that, I'll try to upload as many videos as possible. Maybe in 10 days I'll try to upload more than close to 100 videos as well. So I'll make so many videos on this phone, and I'll clear all the doubts whatever you are having on this mobile phone. So definitely you can decide before the phone gets released in India, you should know whether to buy this phone or other phones in this kind of price range segments. So in the next, I'll try to go through the everything about the Realme X7 Pro in terms of the Antutu benchmark test and camera and everything. I'll try to do each and every individual single video as well. So stay tuned. So already I think it's already update. So I'll try to go through this Realme X7 Pro, and don't forget friends, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. As I said again, do comment below if you are having any thoughts about this mobile phone. Do comment below, do ask me the questions, what kind of test you want me to do on this Realme X7 Pro in comparison with the other smartphones. So I'll try to compare with other smartphones whatever I'm having right now, with the POCO F2 Pro, with the Realme X2 Pro, with the OnePlus 8T device, even with other mid-range segment mobile phones as well. So it is a RAM 8GB RAM variant. As I said, the processor is of Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can see, so which is very powerful and close to Snapdragon 865 processor. So I'm not sure whether in India it will launch with the Dimensity 1000 plus. So let's see whether they will be launching with the Dimensity or not. But there will be only slight change in the processor, maybe, I think so. But everything should be same as it is with the Realme X7 Pro device. So overall, the initial impressions about this phone is very good. One thing, as I said, I didn't feel much weight as well about this phone. So only drawback is that you do miss this kind of 3.5 mm jack having, and if you're used to this kind of earphones and headphones with a 3.5 mm jack, you would feel it'll be kind of difficult using in this phone. And the phone has a dual stereo speaker setup, one in the bottom and one in the top. So definitely I'll try to test the loudspeaker comparison with the other smartphones like POCO X3 or the OnePlus 8T or Realme X2 Pro as well. So there are so many videos to be I need to do in next couple of days. So I'll be very busy in terms of doing so many videos on this mobile phone. So overall, the build quality is also very good. I like this kind of color changing on the back side, as you can see. So color shifting, and this is my first phone which I bought with this kind of color in my studio. So this is the first phone I'm using, and overall I'll try to even do the camera impressions as well on this Realme X7 Pro. The bump is not too much, so it's little bit bumpy, I can feel, but everything should be okay. So as I said, only lack of having the 3.5 mm jack would be a little bit kind of difficult for a few of the users. But overall, this quick impressions, friends, on this Realme X7 Pro. I can definitely feel that kind of smoothness in this phone because of having the 120Hz refresh rate as well in this additional thing which is added here. So that's a very good bonus advantage for most of the users. So as you can see, friends, 120Hz, which is very smooth. I can actually feel the difference as well. As soon as I use the 120Hz, is buttery smooth whenever I change to the home screen. It's very good. So I'll try to do so many videos on this one. I'll keep you posted with the dual Wi-Fi connection. I think there should be dual Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, there are so many options which I need to do and which I need to test on this Realme X7 Pro. So do comment below, friends, what are the videos you want me to do and what are the phones you want me to compare. So what are the different phones you want me to compare. So whatever I have the phones in my channel, I'll try to compare with these phones first, and I'll give you all my thoughts about this mobile phones as well. But overall, the initial impressions is very good, and I'm very much positive to use this phone as my daily user as well. So once I install everything and once I install the contacts and everything, I'll try to use this Realme X7 Pro as my daily usage mobile phone for the next couple of days, and I'll let you know in terms of the battery, display, performance and everything, heating or not. So stay tuned for that more upcoming videos. And thank you, friends, for watching the video till now. And these are the quick experience about the unboxing of this phone. The charger is kind of a little bit kind of same to before as well, so there is nothing got difference between this charger weight. It's kind of same. 65-watt fast charging is same weight as before. And that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Until then, bye.